Welcome to the Juzt Reboot 3 Steps Installation Guide. Step 1. Insert the SW Pro Installation Driver CD. Step 2. At the installation program, you need to choose the Express mode, which is recommended for most of the users. Then you will be asked to set the size of the buffer. For better utilization, set the buffer size to the maximum and press OK. Make sure not to restart your computer while installation proceeds. Wait until the installation progress completes, then remove the driver CD and press Enter to reboot the system. If you're using the trial version, click on 30 days trial to further the installation. And if you have the registration code, enter it in the given space. Now you're at the Juzt Reboot operating system menu. In order to continue the installation, you need to enter to the supervisor mode. For this reason, use the shortcut keys as you can see in the video clip to go to this mode. As the default, password is not set yet. Just press Enter to proceed to Step 3. Step 3. This is a very important step to get Juzt Reboot fully function. Insert back the driver CD, go to Start, choose Run, click on Browse, and look in your CD-ROM to find the setup file. Press Open, click on OK and choose Install. Press OK to reboot the system again. This completes the whole installation of Juzt Reboot. At the Juzt Reboot operating system menu, press Enter to go to the user mode, which is the protected mode. Now you're in the user mode. To double check, you can click on Start, go to All Programs, and choose Space to check the free buffer size. If it shows the user mode, means you're finally protected by Juzt Reboot.